How's it going, everyone? I'm Mike and welcome back to the ICO Investor channel, and today we are going to talk about another amazing game called Metagear. But before we start, please notice our disclaimer, since I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So without further ado, let us begin. Metagear is a game that shows creativity in assembling robots to fight. Challenge yourself with a wide variety of game modes. During more than half a century of development, the global game industry has shown extremely powerful prosperity and has become one of the areas that bring considerable revenue for many technology powerhouses. Modern games nowadays not only stop at regular gameplay, but also create a virtual world that is competitive between players, where they spend most of their time immersing themselves in this world. On the game features is where our players can understand how the game works. On the game features, players are the inventors and can create any robots based on their idea. In the game world, besides fighting, players can visit other players' garages, decorate and protect their garages by the surprise attack from other players. Players can rent NFTs from other players to complete the tasks. There will be many special designs with a great value waiting to be discovered. Keep them carefully. Assemble your ultimate machine, choose a game mode, and engage in combat to vanquish your opponent. You can also customize your machine, change their gears and fight other machines of players. Metagear has a classic retro graphics, and it's fun. Here on the gameplay, thrill with non-stop competitions, build your champion squad, and enjoy the adrenaline rush. Game modes. There are 3 game modes featured on Metagear. Campaign. Players will join the campaign daily and need to remain their rank in 48 hours and receive blueprints. Blueprints will be delivered after the campaign ends. Quick fight. Players will form a squad with the other 3 players to join the elimination round. The team that has the final winner will be the winning one. Tournament. There will be a weekly tournament for every player. The tournament is considered the most intense game mode, in which players have to go through continuous rounds to win the final round and become the champion. Play and earn. There are countless ways to earn money in Metagear. Trade items, accessories and garages on NFT marketplaces. Visit the marketplace, see what you can sold on the market, and customize your machine to make it look good. And if you want to sell some of your machine, you can visit the auction to sell your rarest machine to bring the highest revenue. Or you can visit the garage, where you can buy items to decorate it, or you can just hack your neighbor's garage. If you want to contribute to the project, you can join us on farming and staking, where you can win some rewards. Here are some of our car NFT collection, where you can see how creative the players that plays Metagear. Join them and show us how creative and good you are. On the game token, Gear Max Supply, 1 billion. With the blockchain, BSC. On private sale on 10%, 8% at TGE, lock for 2 months, linear vesting for 18 months, and public sale at 2%, 25% on TGE investing, 25% in the 3rd, 5th, and 7th months. Liquidity listing at 8% and 13% for the team, lock for 12 months, linear vesting for 18 months, advisors for 3%, lock for 12 months and linear vesting for 18 months, ecosystems at 18%, 3% at TGE, growth for 36 months, development on 13%, game development, lock on 6 months, game incentive, incentives of the game, lock for 1 month, and on marketing we have 8%, 5% on TGE, linear vesting for 19 months. And right here is the team of Metagear. First on the list we have Tony Vu, co-founder of the game, Nang Don, also a co-founder, Kimi Vu, the CEO, Kwang Chao, the CTO, and Suri Hong, the CMO, Ming Vu, the COO, Hong Pham, the CPO, Hai Li, the blockchain advisor, and Yen Nguyen, global community director, Hai Nguyen, the regional community director, Julia Dam, the business director, Tan Boi, the partnership manager, Min Nguyen, the blockchain director, Dung Pham, the product director, Bin Vu, art director, and Hien Nguyen, the graphic director. And also here are the advisor of the game, Peter Vesterbacka. He was the father of the game Angry Birds, and founder of Avrovio Entertainment, and Yida Gao, venture capitalist, Hong Nam Tien, the chairman of FPT Telecom, Tran Dang Hoa, SEVP and COO of FPT Software, and Tran Hong Zhang, founder, director and CTO of Akachain, VP of FPT Software. Here are the roadmap updates. Last October 2021, we have game design completion, version 1.0 UX, UI completion, and on November 2021, game asset update, game technical completion, website release, white paper release, video game demo, December 2021. official trailer release, smart contract audit, NFT early sale marketplace, January 2022. Game beta internal test staking and farming public sale DEX listing, February 2022. Game beta test for KOLs, CEX listing, March 2022. Game release, Web plus Android, PvP plus. Campaign mode, NFT auction, renting. Q2 on 2022. iOS version tournament season 1, Guild plus PvP 3 vs 3 chat in-game pilot NFT release, and Q3 on 2022. Garage plus world map release, Metaverse economic, garage attacking / defense, multi-chain testnet, NFT cross-chain, and Q4 2022 multi-chain mainnet new features update. Here are the backers and investors of Metagear: Shima Capital, Bullperks, Polls, CrystalGo, and many more. And now let us proceed to the Metagear Twitter page, and let us see some of their latest post. Last on January 19th, we are back on track gearheads. Despite all the odds, Metagear has officially gotten back in the game. We will listing on PancakeSwap at 1400 UTC, starting January 21st, this 2022. Metagear joined Twitter back on November 2021 and currently has 137.6k followers. And that's all for Metagear. Come visit our channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button for more on ICO Investor channel. Thank you for watching.